Alright guys, I just put Crazy Glue and Crazy Glue Accelerator all around the holes. Uh, you can see here the nut came off this little bolt here. There's two bolts with two nuts that hold this the ear bar the bar that comes off and goes behind your ear, whatever that's called. Uh, the nut backed off and that screwed up everything. So I'm just carefully applying little drops of accelerator and glue. With the intention of basically gluing in the little bolt. The nut is missing, so hmm. Oh my gosh! The hell just happened? I can't afford $2. These are my wife's sunglasses. She said she wanted me to try to fix them. Or I offered. I don't think she said she wanted me to. I just said, I'll fix them for you. She said, oh man, my glasses are broke. I'm really sad because I love these sunglasses. And I said, oh, I'll try to fix them for you then. And what do you know? I think I did it. Alright. So let me just show you guys what I did so far. Alright, you can see on the right hand side is a nut coming up through. You can see it's coming through, but I mean a bolt coming through with no nut. And on the left hand side, right here, you can see a bolt with a nut on it. So we just caked on super glue and super glue activator to quickly have it cure all around the threads of the bolt after having pushed it through, and that should prevent it from backing out. Plus, we put some glue underneath the hinge itself before we even put the bolt through. So this hinge is glued on in addition to having this bolt hold it on. I'm also going to tighten down the other nut because I assume that one will want to back out. We could glue it down, but I don't think it really turned. So I'm gonna put some super glue activator around its base. And some super glue on it around the base. That will prevent it from backing out. The activator makes the glue dry way faster. Otherwise it takes like 10 minutes just for the glue to harden. Unless if you're putting it onto skin or something very porous, like a cotton swab or something. Then the larger surface area and absorbent materials make it cure instantly. Alright, so the next thing I wanted to do was color in with marker. You can see some milky colored residue here in this crevice. You can see it a little bit. And I just want to color that in with black marker. Alright, the black marker doesn't seem to be coloring it too well. That's odd. Well, I fixed it, I think. Yeah, I definitely fixed it. So, there we go, small win. That didn't take long. I get to add that to my list of completed projects for the year. No, the list of completed projects is only for major projects. I still gotta find my needle. It flew right at my eyes. No way. I found it. It was by the far corner of my room, near my closet door on the ground. How the hell can I go from sitting right here trying to poke a needle through glue to it flying all the way over to the far corner of my room? That's like 7.5 feet of travel, and it went right past my eye. I guess it didn't even have that trajectory. I'm so confused. That's like a miracle that it went way over there. How the heck? Now, for all you guys saying my room is like a haystack, it's really not. I don't have that much stuff in here. Wow, I cannot believe I found it. I was already giving up. I just happened to see it not related. I don't even know why I looked over there. I was just coming back to sit down. I stopped looking for it, like, officially a little while ago. Wow. I cannot believe I found it so far away. I thought it'd be somewhere around where I'm sitting, at least. I didn't think it'd be way over there. How'd it get past this sheet? Oh, it was left of the sheet, but still, like, that's incredible. I mean, unless if it went like this, and then, like, landed there, and then bounced, and then ricocheted, and then rolled, like, another 3.5 feet or 4 feet. That's just insane. Like, how does it get way over there? That's crazy. Wow. Well, that feels good. You know what else feels good? I get to fix wife's glasses off my to-do list. That's pretty big. Little things like that can stress me out, man. Having that added to the top of an already overloaded to-do list. I don't like doing that. So I got to cross that off.